Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. So in my last video I have shown you the front face, how to draw the front face of a cartoon character. I hope that video was helpful for you. I have shown you about the circle like this. In that you have to put the eye line and the center line. But here what I am going to include is you can draw little extended area from here maybe and from here, okay, and join it. So this is also cartoon character face. So you can do this or this as well, and you can join this. And all these things, how to put the features, the eyes, nose, mouth, everything, I'll show it to you. So likewise I'll show you first circle like this, and with this we can do this, okay. So here if you have any doubt like how much distance from here to here you have to take, that doesn't matter. You can take like this as well according to your character, okay. So I'll show you both the thing, okay, and in this video I'll just do with this shape, and in other video I'll make with different shapes. Circle will be there, and how to add different shape with that circle I'll tell you. So let me first complete this one. So here I'll reduce the opacity and then I'll take another layer. So first here I am taking the front face only like this, and eye line maybe here and here as well. Front face, nose, here also nose, eyes, I'm taking very simple shape with circle only, and with that I'll do the eyebrows like this. Nose is also very simple, only circle or maybe oval, okay. And here I have kept the eyes little separated, so I'll make little close in this case, okay. And now the eyebrows, and here the eye line ends on one line, this line and this line. So I'll start the ears like this, okay, and here as well. And now it's time to do the eyeball. Somewhat like this. Let me darken the eyebrows so that it will look prominent, clear, okay. So here also, whenever you're drawing the eyes, keep the upper area, this area, little darker than rest of the area. And I'm feeling like the nose I can improve, so I'll raise a little bit and then nose like this, okay. Here also let it be small, and then I'll put the mouth here first like this, and the lip. Here I want to make this character little beard guy like this maybe. Here also I want to make it little happy guy, but here also I'll add some mustache. And I need to add hairs, but I'll add some hairs both the side but not in middle. Is looking more like Seth Ji. do like this. And as this character is looking little fatty one, so I'll make the neck wider like this. I can increase more as well if I want, but for the time being it's okay. And I'll make the hairs black or dark color like this. This is only the rough stage. I am not going to do cleanup or anything else, because this is the stage where you need to improve. In later stage you can do cleanup and all, that is simpler, because first you need to find out your character with rough lines. That is more important. And let me zoom a little bit. So these lines are rough lines, but you can very well understand how your character is coming out. After then you can do the cleanup. Cleanup is easy as compared to the rough, because this is the first stage where you need to find out your character. So this is the character, and here we need to focus on his beard. I'm changing his nose because that nose was not looking that appealing. So I'm doing this. So I can reduce the rough lines like this. So this I am doing roughly. You can do whatever you want to your character. Whatever you're doing, just focus on the eyes. That is very important part, because that is the part which will connect with the viewers, the audience. And I want to add glasses. And whenever you are creating your character, don't think about the proper lines and all, because if you will be thinking more about those things, those secondary things, then you can't design your character, you can't bring your character to life. First you need to find out your character which is there in your mind. So here also I'll make the neck like this and give some shading. Yeah, that's it. So here you understood how I have created the base of my character face, and on that how I place my character. You have to do your R&D with the character, putting the eyes separated or close or simple eye, as I have told you, only dots. Different type of nose, mouths, hairstyles, those are the areas where you can do the changes and see if your character is coming or not. Firstly, you need to put the features in a single construction so that you can understand the variation of the character. In only one construction you take, like suppose I have this one. This one is the construction. On this you can put the eyes in different position, maybe close or separated, whatever. You can put on single construction and see how your character is changing. So that is one exercise you have to do, and you have to do the second one, this one. You have to elongate the lower shape, this one, and do, or else you can extend this one more and see how it is looking. That all things you need to experiment, then you observe your character. Slowly you will get the confidence and you can see your character in your mind. Okay, so keep practicing with these shapes. First I told you the circle, then I have shown you today's video. Those two things you need to practice first, and we'll go for animal drawings also with these shapes. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it, and if you do so, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and hit a thumbs up. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So take care and bye bye.